Yeah, he's gone. I'm out here all by my lonesome now. They went back to go get gas that way. He's going to catch up with the rest of us that went ahead. Because I ran out of gas. I don't even know if it'll sit here. Nope. I gotta stand with it. Hopefully I don't get children in the corn. Look at this creepy field here, bro. What is that sound? And of course there's always got to be, oh, fingers. Of course there's always got to be that house right there at the top of a creepy place to get stopped. Yeah. So if I don't die, I guess I'll record in a couple seconds. I'm gonna keep my phone on me though, because never know what'll go on around here, bro. Okay. The silence is way too loud out here. It's not okay with me. Keep hearing sticks snapping over here. There's deer and stuff. Oh yeah, he's got a new... This is a whole new one, but he's got clown face now. Oh look, bird. Did I miss it? I think I missed him. Oh, he's up there now. Oh, you can't even see him on the camera. Sheesh. Day number 407 of being stranded in the boondocks with no gas. Think the trees are talking to me. And there's definitely wild turkeys out here somewhere, making a bunch of noise. There's a house over to the right that I think there's people at it, but I'm not moving from this spot because I've watched enough horror movies. I'm also not going to record that direction right now. Yep, my gas tank's still there. What was that? Something just made a noise over there in the field. Again, I've watched enough horror movies, I'm not checking it out. Might have been a turkey or something. Oops, didn't mean to zoom in. Mosquitoes are all over the place. Gotten bit like 20 times already. It's okay. I only got a little bit of malaria now. Got some cool clouds. Keep me occupied for now, I guess. Day number 512. The sun has almost completely vanished. Well, I guess you can't tell on my camera for some reason, but that's cool. It is a lot darker than the camera's making it look. It is brighter after recording for some reason. But yeah, still no gas or emergency help crew. Just saw a door open on a little camper over there to the right. Yeah, right over there. Just swung right open. I think they're looking at me or something. Really concerning. But yeah. Still stuck out in the middle of nowhere. Oh yeah, I got a new mini bike I'm gonna build here pretty soon. It's gonna be pretty cool. Just totally check out my Instagram if you're watching this video. Post stuff on there sometimes about videos and stuff. You ever watch that movie Children of the Corn? I feel like I'm gonna get dragged into this and never be seen again. Uh-huh. That's not okay. There's a vehicle coming. Make it look like it's not super obvious. There, dude, the hay in that truck. I'm gonna show you when it drives by. Hopefully it drives by. I'll pause the recording for right now. Okay, they kind of looked at me, so it's kind of weird to not to act like I'm not recording now. But look how much hay is loaded into the back of that truck. Yep. Definitely in the boondocks. I can only see one tail light. They slowed down like a lot. And instead of being like, oh, hey, you need help or something, they just kind of nodded at me. Like, why are they slowing? Oh, dang, they live in that house up there with the broken barn. And the really... Wait, no, is that the... No, that's the driveway to that fancy-looking farmhouse. Driving a truck like that when he's got a fancy-looking farmhouse. Day number 620. My exhaust pipe is now cool to the touch. It's getting darker. Camera is not showing that whatsoever. Literally, see how green this is? It's not that green. It's making everything brighter. But, like that, it's not that red. The creepy hay truck has not come back through. I don't hear any more twigs snapping in the woods. I do now hear dogs. Sounds like it's coming from the creepy hay truck's house. Day number 1017. I've began to talk to this inanimate object that is zip tied to the front of my bike. My exhaust pipe is freezing cold now. I'm kind of getting a little cold, sitting out here in the middle of the field in nothing but a sweatshirt. Pretty cool. I don't know what I would need this for, but this filter makes everything have like a green haze to it. This is the point I've reached. I'm just playing around with my phone, hoping it doesn't go dead. Actually, oh yeah, I barely have any service out here. Oh, I have no service. Rad. So if I get brutally murdered, I have no way to call for help. Oh, that just made me realize something. If they're messaging me right now to tell me like, oh yeah, come meet us here, I'm not getting those messages. Because I have no service. I want to try and start it up. I wish, okay, my camera is not doing this any justice, but it is like a good 2 light bulbs above being nighttime. If I have to stay out here until it's dark, I might lose it. There might not be children of the corn. I might become the children of the corn. Be out here nighttime, I might just dive right there. Dive right in. Start picking hitchhikers off one by one. You never know. Wonder what Johnny Depp's doing right now. Probably not sitting out in the middle of nowhere. Is next to a field that looks like it wants to murder him. Okay, there's some proof that it's getting dark out. My fingers, mother of God. What? Where did it go? It's over here somewhere. Hold on. There it is. The moon. What the shit? Oh, somebody's coming. Gotta do the nonchalant recording technique here. Getting as much evidence against my murder as possible. Oh, it's help. Thank the Lord. I thought I was about to start talking to a volleyball or something. Whew. See? What you doing, boy?
Did you see a deer?
Ugly. Look at my rescue team. What is this? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this and a lot of other stupid stuff.